Let's move on the window menu. You can customize the layout from the Windows menu. Open or close the Colorways window, Layers and Channels window, Colorway History window, Properties window, Mini Color Catalog window, and Color Pool window. Color catalogs and gradient maps windows can be accessed here as well. If you want to reset the layout that you have customized, just click on Reset Layout option. Open the Color Catalogs window and access your own color catalogs or globally accepted color catalogs here. You can create a new color catalog here as well. Click New and enter a name for your catalog, then save it. To add a new color to your color catalog, click on the New Color box and choose the color from the color picker or pick from screen. You can also enter the HSB, RGB, and LAB codes of the color to find that color. Choose your color and click Apply. Now you can see your color on the New Color box. You can also give a name to this color by entering a name from here. Click Add a new color to catalog to add this color to your catalog. Here, you can also add a color by clicking the Auto Color Creator, which I mentioned in the Tools menu. You can balance the new color according to the old tone of the old color by clicking the blue Balance Tone button. If you want to add a color with its Pantone code, you can use the Color Search field and enter the Pantone code. When the color appears on the New Color box, click Add a new color to catalog button. Now you can see your colors in your catalog. You can delete the colors by right-clicking on them. You can also delete the catalogs by clicking Delete, but the deleted catalogs cannot be recovered. You can also access the catalogs that you have created by right-clicking from the Mini Color Catalog window. The color catalogs can be printed by clicking Print Color Catalog. In the Catalog Print Preview window that opens, you will be able to see all the colors in the catalog. You can browse between the pages to view all the colors. You can toggle the visibility of the header, catalog name, print date, logo, and page numbers in the Print Settings section. You can adjust the color box numbers for each page by entering the values, and also toggle the visibility of the color name, color order, RGB code, HSB code, and hex code. You can resize the box font size and header font size by decreasing and increasing from these bars. By clicking the paper settings, you can adjust the width, size, and DPI of the page. After the settings have done, click Save to File and then print from your computer later. There is a Gradient Maps window in the Windows menu. Here you can view the gradient maps and add a new gradient map. I will show you how to use gradient maps in the Effects section. You can change the language of the software to Turkish or English from the Language menu. Remember, when you change the language, you must restart the software to use the new language. Customize the view from the View menu. If you want to work with more than one colorway up to 24 at the same time, select a layout option here. Activate the Sync Zoom and Position to move these colorways together. Open and close the color boxes, rulers, zoom changers, repeat indicators, and repeated view. Drag and drop colors from the color boxes of one colorway to the color box of another colorway. You can preview the conventional simulation of the conventional design by activating Conventional Simulation. I will explain the Conventional Simulation feature in the Conventional Design Coloring section.